Hello my dear students, how are you? I hope everyone will be fine. I am GD Sir, your subject teacher of English, and today I will explain the chapter Battling Boards. Okay, this is the third part of this chapter, and in the previous video I will explain first in the first part and in the second part. So you have to go in the my YouTube channel and watch out the first part and second part of this chapter. Okay, so let's start this video by taking the paragraph and passage and explain it one by one. Before the starting the video, you will note down some of the hard words in your CWR notebooks. Look here, hard words like here the first hard word is gesticulated. Gesticulated means move the arms about to convey something. It means the indicate something by using his her or his hand. Okay. She named down means climb down quickly using both the hands and legs. It means with the help of the hand and legs we can climb down quickly from the tree or a high places. Lift means jumped and grenade means laughed. Clear? And here is the some important point. In the previous video you will know that how the two friends, it means Sukmaran and Kuttan, both are the wanted to see the place wherever the race became held. Okay, and both are the friend very excited to think about the race, and when they reached the place where the battling boat will be held, they looking many of the things there. They also watch out Keshwan and his friend Yoni there to damage of the boat, and they decided to repair the boat and boat of Karchal first, that owner of his father, it means Kuttal's father. And then after when he got the damage, when he Miss Kuttan got the damage from the Karchal first, he try his best to repair that boat. Okay, and what he do after that, the Kuttan had no time to repair the hole, so he came up with a clever plan. Okay, he had no any plan. He had no more time to repair the culture first, that is the owner of his father. Then he make a plan and he comes up with a clever plan, and after that Kuttan change the number of the boards and then switched their position. Okay, and then this plan worked because the boards were the same in every way. Clear? Culture first and culture second both are similar. Okay, now we start the next from the paragraph. Now the last part, when his friend, his brother, it means Vasu, Sukumaran and Kuttan, all the three person coming through the bushes and reaching at a place where the Karchal first is standing, and then they decided, and he Kuttan also give some of the deeds of the Vasu, and he take the Sukumaran with him, and then he try to repair the Karchal first. Okay, and Kuttan and Sukumaran leaped into the first boat with their heavy bags of tools. Okay, it means Kuttan takes the bags of the tools, and he leaped down, it means jumped down in the boats, and he said, I don't think Keshwan will be back. It means the Kuttan think about that the Keshwan will not back to damage this Karchal first, and he must be happily dreaming of the winning tomorrow. And when they repair the boat with their hard work, they also dreaming that tomorrow they, it means Sukumaran and Kuttan both are dreaming that they will win the match tomorrow. It means race tomorrow. They set to the work silently and earnestly is the dim light of the lamp. The night was dark and still around them. When they repaired the culture first, the dark is spread around them. And now for the last part, Kutan said as he started to engine, it will be make some noise, but this is a risk we have to take. Okay, they wanted to examine of the boat that it worked well or not. When they got great satisfaction that the cultural first is completely repaired, they will be comfortable. Okay, and half an hour later they stood on the bank and surveying their work with a great satisfaction. Vasu shine it down means clamping down quickly using both the hand and legs. It means the duty of the Vasu to climb up on the tree and watching the whole direction. Okay, if someone will come, then he whistle and alert the Kuttan and Sukumaran. And when he know that the Kuttan and Sukumaran will complete their work, he sign it down from the tree and he hugged with his brother. It means Vasu and Kuttan both are hugged to each other and turned to home silently. Kuttan was up early in the next morning just as the crowd started streaming into the canal treated down and Aloperi. Thousands and thousands of the festival poured in, the men in white shirt and women in a bright flowered lungi and full skirt in a scarlet. It means when the game will started. Okay, the game will, before the starting of the game, the many of the person from the village arrived at the bank of river, and they put on many different kind of the dresses, like a women and men put different type of the dresses, like a white shirt and lungi will dressed by the people, and flowered lungi and full skirt in scarlet and cerulean blue and flaring orange, etc. are the dresses put on by the women. Kuttan father walked in just as a Kuttan hand finished trying to crisp new dhoti. Kuttan hesitated for the moment and deciding whether to tell his secret to Achan. No, he decided that he would not tell him. It means the Kuttan is think about that the whole accident will happen in a night, and all the bad work of the Keshwan, he wanted to say everything to his father, it means his Achan, but he stopped himself and he decided that he would not tell this matter to his father. He would not share this all the situation with the father. He took his place in the boat with a feeling of great importance. Flowers of the Thairmun, the traditional dance of the temple of Kerala, and Kathakali went sailing past. Okay, and when everyone climbed up on the board, and Kathakali, it is the dance that dancing by the Kerala peoples, and suddenly Kuttan stopped his daydreaming. Oh, we are going to start, and he is dreaming that he think that it is the dream. Okay, when he climb up on the boat, he dreaming that it is the only a dream. Okay, but when the by the gun shooting times of the gun, he think that it is not a dream, it is real. And Kuttan hands were sweating with nervousness. Okay, Kuttan hands were sweating with nervousness because he was excited about the race. He was excited about the race, and the glancing down the line of the spectators, he saw the Keshwan and Yuni were grinning and pointing at him. It means in the second boat, it means Karchal second, he saw that the Keshwan and his brother Yuni will standing in the Karchal second, and they both are talking to pointing of the Kuttan and laughing there. Okay, the track was the clear and 3 gun shoots were fired on the quick succession. It means one by one, and 1600-meter race will begin. Okay, 1600 race will be become, and Kuttan boats surged forward. It means moving forward very fast. Okay, and then faces of the spectators became a blur. It means many of the audience and many of the spectators standing in bank of the river, and his face became blur. Okay, they not looked clearly. And Kuttan kept his eyes on the back of the man rowing in the front of him. Okay, and loudspeaker boomed. It means loudspeaker announced that the Karchal second was very swift and 30 rowers 60 to 8 strokes of a minute. Okay, the speaker announced that the Karchal second is moving very fast, and he run forward of the Karchal first. But Kuttan became very comfortable, and he thought his mind. When the loudspeaker again moved, he flashed. He thought had barely flashed through the Kuttan's mind, and when the speaker boomed again, Karchal second is having a problem. Then Kuttan think that the game is starts. Okay, and it's filling with the water. The speaker announced that the Karchal second filled with the water, and it became slow down. Karchal second became slow down. Why? Because the this Karchal second filled with the water. Okay, and the Karchal first is lead nearly the finishing line. Okay, it means Karchal first is now reached in a finishing line, and in the last the Karchal first has been won the match. It means he won the match, and every member of the Karchal first leaped down. It means jumped down from the boat and laughing, hanging and shouting with the enjoyment and pleasant and delightment. Okay, and Sukumaran and Vasu became running very well. Kuttan asked, "Did you Keshwan's face when the boat filled with the water?" They all the 3 boys, it means Kuttan, Sukumaran and Vasu, all the 3 boys talking to each other and give the reaction of the Keshwan when his boat, it means Karchal second, filled with the water. Then the Sukumaran says to the Kuttan that you should have seen it. It means you should seen the face of Keshwan. Vasu skipped alongside happily. Oh, what a clever idea it was. He examined changing the number of the boats and then changing their position, and then the Vasu also expressed the plan of the Kuttan. What he expressed? He expressed that the plan is to change the numbers of the boards and then switch their position. It means they replace the position of the Karchal first and second, and also change the number of Karchal first to second, and then Kuttan hissed and indicate or instructed to the Vasu that quiet. Okay, that quiet, and everyone became quiet, and Vasu gingled, means how laughing. He laughed in a slowly and behind his hand, and all the three fled past Keshwan and Yoni, and who stood rooted to the ground, eyes and mouth wide open with the shocked. It means Keshwan completely shocked what will be happen with him. Okay, how can this accident will happen with Karchal second? Okay, wherever he damaged the Karchal first, and he completely shocked how it will change. Okay, so this story is a mysterious story, and we can say that tit for tat. Okay, so this story is a very interesting story, and I hope you all understand this story very well. Why? Because there is a competition, and we cannot we cannot work bad in a competition. Why? Because if we do something wrong, then all the wrong happened with us. Okay, so now your chapter has been completed, and I hope everyone understand it. I would like to tell you that you will write all the hard words in your CW copy and HW copy by taking the help of the book, and also complete your book work. Okay, that given by the teacher in a WhatsApp group. Thank you for the watching video. Best of luck.